Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So today we will start a new playlist which is on Roblox. So first thing I will explain you what is Roblox and why we are using the Roblox and how you will download the Roblox. So nowadays we have a 3D games. Do you know, right? So that 3D game if you want to create legacy we have a hobby game. We have our we have lots of Roblox game, we have Minecraft, right? So if you want to create a 3D game, for that we have a platform which is Roblox. By using that, we can create multiple games. Okay. So first thing we will see how you will download the Roblox. Okay. So in your web browser, you need to just search for Roblox Studio download. I will give you the link in the description box. Okay. So, see, this is our Roblox Studio. You need to just click on that. Over here, it will give you lots of options like a discover, avatar shop, create, Robux. So, we need to just click on the start creating. What will happen? It will ask you like a open this application, allow roblox.com to open the link of this type in the associated app. So we need to just click on open Roblox. Okay. So what will happen? It will give you the option like how you will download the Roblox. Okay. So you will get this window which is get started. Okay. Over here, we need to just click on this create button. So after that, it will open like a check for Roblox Studio up to date, and you will get this screen. Okay. So first thing here we have to sign up or log in. If you are first time user, you have to click on sign up. And if you have your account, so you can just select your login option. Okay. So we need to first click on the sign up. Over here, you have to select your birthday month and what is your birthday year. After that, you have to create one username, which is the unique username for you. So I want to create code for kids 123. You have to select a unique username. Okay. So we can select, we can take one capital letter. C. So here we have to provide one unique username. Okay. After entering all the details, again you have to click on start coding. What will happen? It will give you the space where we can create a project. Okay. So you will get this Roblox Studio screen and it will take some time. Okay. So we need to just click on download studio. What will happen? It will download the Roblox Studio for you. Okay. After that, once it will download that, we need to click on this. So it will open the Roblox Studio. So now we will see what are the steps you have to follow if you want to install this Roblox Studio. Okay. over here, as you can see, it is connecting. So see, this is the game as you can see, right? So we can create this game also with the help of Roblox. Okay, it is shutting down the Roblox, installing. And if you will install your Roblox inside your laptop or computer, your computer might be sometimes slow down because this is a very heavy software. Okay, so no need to worry about that if your laptop gets slow or anything the issue, no need to worry about that. So now after that, you will get your Roblox Studio as you can see. So now once you will get your Roblox Studio, in this studio we can create lots of projects. Whatever project you want, you can create here. Okay. So in this way we can install our Roblox Studio inside our laptop and computer. Okay. See this screen you will get. This is the Roblox Studio. Now in the next video, we will see how you will create a project over here. Okay. So please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest updates. So thank you so much.